What's up, you guys? This is Vincanity, and for those who don't know me, I'm the guy who teaches breaking tutorials. I've been teaching breaking tutorials online since 2011. I've been teaching breaking classes in public schools since 2005, and I currently still teach breaking classes in schools all around the Los Angeles area. Today, I'm launching a Patreon account, which is basically a membership-based website that you can interact and work with your community. The reason why I'm doing this is because working in schools and working with just students directly, I'm able to kind of give them direct feedback. I'm able to work with them. I'm able to kind of visualize and see what they need to do to grow. And on an online platform, it's a little bit more difficult to do that. So what Patreon is gonna allow me to do is kind of create this like small group of people that I'm gonna be able to interact with, get feedback from, work with directly, and give feedback directly so that we could all kind of grow and get better together. On this feed, there'll be a live chat. I'll be doing monthly question and answers. I'll be doing monthly workshops. And for a select few, I'll be actually giving you guys direct feedback on your moves every single month. Again, this platform isn't for everybody. It's kind of for those who want that extra push, that extra nudge in the right direction, and maybe you don't have a community of people that you could dance with. This is gonna be our community. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below and we'll get training soon. Welcome to the VincaniTV Patreon.